Hi, I'm Justin Daniels and welcome to Random Tech Videos. This is my new technology channel, and here I plan to have all sorts of different videos. Some ideas are listed here, and some more are listed here. I just plan to do a bunch of random videos, anything ranging from tech reviews to tech tips to funny tech videos, and I don't even know what I'll be posting. But I'll post whatever I post, as the channel name implies. If you're interested in any of this type of content, please consider subscribing to my channel, and you can also comment below some video ideas you'd like to see. And for those of you who might be here because of my main channel, realize that I'm not quitting my main channel. This is a channel in addition to the main channel. However, I may decrease the frequency of uploads on my main channel for now. But that channel is not going anywhere. I am not quitting that channel. Also, I do not guarantee regular uploads on this channel or on my other channel because I have circumstances in my life that may prevent me from uploading for a while. But even if I go a year without uploading, I'm not quitting. I don't plan to do that, but just if I were to. If you're excited, please give this video a thumbs up, and I can't wait to see you next time. Goodbye.